It's ready? It's rolling? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are coming to you live from our professional studio here in beautiful Tustin, California in our home. Let me show you guys that it really is us. 55 Classic. See YouTube? We have to make these videos because we got a reuse strike on our channel. YouTube says that we're using somebody else's content. I just want to show that it's really us. We're going to make a little impromptu video so we can talk about some stuff. We want to thank all our subscribers. This is going to be not a fluff video, but wanted to show you guys some stuff and wanted to talk about some things. I know a lot of you guys love classic cars and own classic cars, and if your garage is like mine, there's stuff everywhere, car parts, all kinds of stuff. I just grabbed some car parts real quick so I can show you guys and we could talk about certain things. But at first I wanted to show you the sign that I won. This was from a raffle. If you guys follow Drew at Vintage Gold Classics, cool guy. I actually won this raffle at the Pomona swap meet, and I wanted to show you guys. It's super cool. Any of you in Impala buffs, Impala aficionados know what this is from. It's from the 1961 Chevy Impala. It's a really cool sign. Let me show you guys. You can put it up in your garage. And check this out. Ooh, look at that. Yee. It's nice, right? Super cool. I'm gonna put this up in my garage. The reason why it's I really like it, it dims and it's got a remote, all kinds of cool stuff you can do to it. See? But I wanted to thank Drew and everyone over there at Vintage Gold Classics. He always has raffles. Guy raffles cars. He raffled the 1961 that somebody owns. It's super cool. I actually put a little short. It's that baby blue one. It's on my channel. Somebody owns it now, and it's super cool. We used to own a 1961 Impala. My son and I, actually my son is doing a production in the background. He's taking care of all the stuff. You want to say hi to everybody in here, buddy? Say hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
All right. He just wanted to say hi, but wanted to ask you guys, what do you guys do with your parts? Do you guys sell them? You get rid of them? You just hoard them? You put them to the side? Because I got a bunch of stuff. I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. I don't know if I'm ever going to use them again or not, and I'm sure somebody else could use them. But I mean, stuff like this. Let me show you guys. You guys know what this is, huh? The parking brake for the 1961 Chevy Impala. Why do I keep this? I don't know. Can't even use it. You need the new handle for the emergency brake there. Well, you know, it's stuff like that. I also got check this out. Got these door handles, window cranks. I believe it's a 1961 through 1964. They have some pitting, but they're still nice. They're the original ones. If anybody wants these, man, I will ship these to you guys if you guys can use these. You guys can have them, but you know, stuff like this. I have a complete set. Like, what do? You just keep it in your garage, taking up space. I mean, I don't know, maybe one day I'll use them, but probably not. Anyways, I wanted to ask you guys, let me know in the comments, like, what do you guys do? You throw them away? You probably don't throw them away, right? Come on, don't do that. Somebody could use them. But yeah, we just wanted to talk about what do you got going on in your garage besides your car? I will show you my garage, but there's no car in here. We don't have a Sunday Fun Day car because I sold it. My son gets upset. But we're looking for a car. Hopefully we'll have something that we can show you guys in some content soon, maybe soon. Um, the gentleman that's selling the black 1964 Super Sport Impala with the real 409 in there. Um, Man, he asked me if I wanted to buy that car, and believe me, I was tempted, and I'm still am tempted. Um, I don't have the complete amount that he's asking for, but man, I'm willing to take out a loan and borrow some money. It's a super nice car, man. I want it. Um, but you know, we're kind of waiting. Hopefully, somebody steps up and picks up that car because it's a beautiful car. Was lucky enough to drive in it. Engine's perfect, drives perfect. You can drive it anywhere, freeway, whatever you want. Um, but something like that is what I would want. Something you can enjoy, you know, like today, it's Sunday. And we don't have anything to ride. You know, we want to go get some food, cruise it, take a little cruise, take the family out. You know, I miss those days of having the car. My family and especially my son says, you know, why don't you sell the pops? But you know how it goes. You sell cars, they come and go. But when you don't have one, you really wish you had one. Anyways, we want to make this video. One, because, like I said, YouTube thinks that I'm using somebody else's content, which we're not. Clearly not. This is our channel. So we need to keep putting videos like this where we show our faces, talk about, you know, parts and different stuff. It's just little short videos, so we can show the algorithm and the people over there at YouTube that this really is our channel. We're trying to get monetized. Obviously, I knew I was being sarcastic when I said it's a professional studio, but everything that we're putting into the channel, it's coming out of our, you know, our pocket. Because we're not monetized, we're trying to get monetized, and it costs money to go to the shows, go to the car meets, you know, gas money, coffee, right, donuts, and my son and I, like, we love going to the car shows, but as you guys know, it could get pretty expensive if you're going, you know, twice a month, 3 times a month, and I'm trying to get out there every weekend actually to bring you guys content. So again, we have to make these videos. They're really cracking down on the faceless channels, because there's a lot of I'm sure you guys heard of these bot farms where there's like 1,000 phones, and they're all subscribing and they have different channels and kinds of stuff going on, trying to trick the system. And YouTube is, you know, trying to cut all that out because you know, they want to know who they're paying. And I'm sure all the companies that they affiliate with and they want to advertise, they don't want to know that it's just a bunch of, you know, thousands of phones in a warehouse that are getting all these subscribers and views, and it's all fake, which I get. But so we have to make these videos. I'm gonna start maybe showing you some other stuff that I have. I also have some classic bicycles. I don't know if you guys are into like the 1940s, 1950s bicycles. I'm gonna bring them out and show them to you in another video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I know there's a lot of guys there. If you're into classic cars, you're probably into a lot of things classic. I particularly like this one brand of bicycles, but like I said, I'll make another video so I can show you guys some other cool stuff that we have. Maybe show you guys like some hydraulic parts that I have, old school stuff. I think you guys will enjoy it. But you know, like I said, we don't have a classic car right now. Boo-hoo. It's Sunday. What do I do? Let's make a little short video, show the people. But I really wanted to show you guys that sign. I want to say thanks to Drew over there, Vintage Gold Classics. He has a YouTube channel. It's called Vintage Gold Classics, but he's also on Instagram. He raffles a bunch of cars all year long. He raffles, you know, like stuff like this. And don't remember what I paid for the subscription, but I got his yearly subscription, and man, it already paid off. This sign, I mean, I'm sure it's worth a couple $100. I'd probably even more. It's a super cool sign, and like you guys saw, let me show you guys again. I mean, whatever I paid for the subscription, I already paid for this. Look at this. You can show your friends. Boom. Huh? Isn't that sweet? Cool, right? I love it. Especially because it's the 1961. And you guys know. Let me show you guys again. You guys don't know Paula's. Where did this come from? 1961. So like I said, hopefully you guys are still watching. We're gonna make more videos like this. It was raining all weekend here in Southern California, which hardly ever happens. I was supposed to do cover the Southside Car Club toy drive that they had today, that they were supposed to have, but we got rained out, couldn't make it happen. But I'm sure they're gonna postpone and do something, which is pretty cool for them to do that. We had our toys ready to go, man. I was gonna show up early, get some cool footage from you guys, because they got some awesome cars, man. Shout out to Southside Car Club, Anthony Fuentes and family out there. But it didn't happen. That was the show that I was looking forward to today. Yesterday I didn't go to the Donut and Derelicts that I go to every Saturday for you guys, because it was pouring. I was thinking of just going out there, see who was crazy enough to show up. But you know, if you guys aren't from Southern California, you guys, let me tell you,